currently giving out Swash tokens to airdrop participants. So first you do for this airdrop is to add it to your watch list. Make sure your watch list is set at public so it can be easily verified. So the token is being ranked at 846 on CoinMarketCap. About 843,216 people already have it on your watch list. So market data for this token airdrop is tracked. You can see. You can toggle up to see the price movement from 0.3 cents to highs of 0.9 cents, guys. So hopefully by the end of this airdrop, we should be seeing some good figures. Circulation supply is verified and tracked already. This is the official website, explorers and social handles. You can check out swashapp.io. It's on the Ethereum smart chain. Audits by Cetic. Guys, you can toggle up for more here, price estimates and more. So you currently have about 12 days left for this airdrop. So they are giving out 50,000 Swash app launch and CoinMarketCap airdrop. So participating in 50,000 Swash app launch, you get up to 150 Swash tokens. So 150 Swash tokens. As of the current rate, that should be about $75 or more. Should be about $75 or more. But guys, you want to stay tuned to witness this. You also would. Airdrop is going to run from November 23rd to December 7th. So they're giving out 150,000 Swash tokens to 1,000 winners. I think it's about minimum about $50. So how to participate? So only Swash wallet addresses are acceptable for this airdrop. So you can find your Swash wallet address within the Swash app. So you need to download the Swash app, guys. Said follow Swash on our CoinMarketCap Watchlist. Follow them on Twitter. Retweet Swash CoinMarketCap Airdrop event. Tag 3 of your followers and tell them about Swash. So join Swash Telegram group, Telegram channel. So guys, for bonus tip, where it says you should tag 3 of your friends, tag as much as possible, and also you can also retweet as much as possible of their posts before you retweet the pin post, and you can also pin it to your Twitter handle if possible, or if you don't have much projects you want to that are competitive. So download Swash app, copy the wallet address from within the app and paste it to be eligible for this giveaway. So guys, that's all basically all we have. So winners will receive their Swash tokens December 30th, which is a good one. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to like, share, subscribe. Let us know in the comment section. We have a giveaway for our loyal subscribers. You want to be part of your families. See you in our future uploads, guys, and stay safe, guys. Bye, keys.